Yo everybody, welcome back to another brand tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix GCash app if it's not working on your Android phone or iPhone. It's giving the error like an error occurred or something else. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the very first thing what you need to do is just you have to go back to your home screen. And once you are here, what you need to do is the very first thing you have to open up any browser on your device. So like I'm opening here Google Chrome, and once you have opened this, here you have to search for the GCash detector here and search for this. And after this, what you need to do is just you have to open here first link, and this from here scroll it below, and here you can see many people have reported that their GCash app is not working. So it means there is any bug and the team will be working on this. So you don't need to worry about this problem will be automatically solved. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.